guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this look. I share some tips and tricks on how you can apply and blend out eyeshadows pretty quick and easy and have this gorgeous look complete in no time. I didn't apply fake eyelashes to make this look a bit more simple yet cute, so I really hope you guys like this look. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos, and give this video a big thumbs up please if you do like this look. And now let's get started. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer as a primer for my eyeshadows. I'm blending it out with my e.l.f. Cosmetics sponge, and you can tell right away that the concealer covers up any darkness, redness, the little veins that show on the eyelid, and it just makes the whole eyelid all the way up to the brow bone. It just looks even, and if you have greasy eyelids, this helps to avoid that, and you want to make sure everything is nice and blended before you move on to the next step. And now I'm going to set my concealer using my Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder and a fluffy brush from Profusion. I apply it in tapping motions, that way the concealer doesn't move, and this is going to help a lot to blend out the eyeshadows a lot faster and easier. So I highly recommend this step, especially if you're going to be using dark eyeshadows and if you're a beginner, or if you just don't have a lot of time to stay there and keep blending out your eyeshadows. So this is really going to help to speed up the process and finish up your eye looks pretty quick. For the first eyeshadow, I'm going to grab from this highlight and contour palette from Profusion. I'm going to grab this one right here using Profusion with the brush. This is number ES6. And I'm going to apply this on my crease, going back and forth from the inner corner to the outer corner like a rainbow. And I want this eyeshadow or bronzer to be visible above the crease, so I am going to apply a second layer and also to deepen up the color a little bit, and then I'm just going to keep blending it out. And since it's not that dark and I did set my concealer, it's going to be super easy to blend out, making it a very easy and quick step. So since the next eyeshadows are two shimmery eyeshadows that I'm going to apply on my eyelid, I'm going to grab a little bit more of my Maybelline concealer with my finger. You can see right there I have just a little bit, and I'm going to apply this on my eyelid. I want most of the product to go on my eyelid, and then since I do want the concealer to go above my crease, it has to be nice and blended out. I'm just going to use whatever's left on my finger once I have everything on my eyelid. So I'm going to use my finger to blend out the edges above my crease, and I do it very lightly and in tapping motions, kind of going downward on the edge. And I like to use the tip of my finger to do this, and this step is really important because it does have to be nice and blended in order for the shimmery eyeshadows to blend out really nice too. But it's such a quick and easy step. You just want to make sure you don't have a lot of product on the brush or on your finger. The next eyeshadow, I'm going to grab it from this eyeshadow palette from Pixi. It's called Reflex Lights. And I'm going to grab this eyeshadow right here using this little sponge. This one comes in the Rimmel eyeshadow palette. It looks like this, but I'm going to be using this side to apply the shimmery eyeshadow on my eyelid. I applied in tapping motion starting from the outer corner. And the concealer that I applied on my eyelid is really going to help, since it's still creamy, it's going to help to really hold the eyeshadow on my eyelid throughout the day. It's just going to last longer, and it's going to make the shimmer pop out a little bit more. Then with whatever's left on the sponge, I'm going to lightly blend out the edges above my crease. And you can see that I left this inner corner right here empty. I didn't apply the eyeshadow right there. That's because I'm going to apply the pink eyeshadow right there, which is also from this same palette. So I'm going to grab a little bit of that and apply it on the inner corner, and then just blend it out towards the crease, and just a little bit on the inner corner of my eyelid, but not so much. I want most of it to go on the inner part of my crease and the inner tear duct. So you can finish the look right here, just apply fake eyelashes or curl your lashes and apply mascara, and it'll look really cute. But I wanted the outer corner to be a little bit darker, and so I applied a bit of black eyeshadow on the outer corner right there, and I feel like it looks better. I don't know, just a little bit more dramatic on the outer corner. And so I grabbed the black eyeshadow from my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. It's just a matte black eyeshadow. And I'm going to apply this using a very small brush. I'm going to start by doing like a liner, like if I were to do a smoky eyeliner with the eyeshadow, but I'm not. So I'm just going to start above the roots of my eyelashes and then lightly start blending it out towards the top. I don't want to go over my crease too much. I just want this on the outer corner of my eyelid, so I'm not even going to extend it a lot towards the outer corner. So I just want it right there, and I didn't really want it to be too dark, like really black and pigmented. Just as long as the outer corner was a bit darker, then that was fine. So I just started blending it out in that same spot until it was nice and blended. Now I'm going to grab the very first brush I used to apply the bronzer on my crease, and I'm not going to grab any more product on the brush, just whatever was left on the brush. I'm going to use that to pretty much blend everything together nice just on the crease or above the crease, and then just blend it out until everything looks really nice. I forgot to do this part earlier, but for my lower lash line, I'm also going to apply the bronzer, the brown eyeshadow I applied on my crease. So I'm just applying it all over my lower lash line from the inner corner to the outer corner. And now to complete this look, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. The mascara that I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Sky High mascara. This is one of their newest mascaras, and it's kind of sort of new to me. I have used it only on my lower lashes, but today I wanted to use it on my top lashes. Since I'm not going to apply fake eyelashes, I want to see how good this mascara is. So I am going to apply 2 layers on my top eyelashes. And after I applied it on my other eye, I did really love it. I didn't weigh my lashes down. It kept them nice and curled. The little brush separated my eyelashes pretty good, and it didn't apply like too much mascara on my second layer. It didn't make them clumpy or anything. So it's a really great mascara. I highly recommend it. And after applying 2 layers on my top eyelashes, I'm going to apply 1 layer on my lower lashes. And that was the final step to complete this look. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and if you want something a bit more dramatic, if you're gonna go out on a date or party at night, or just something that you want this look to be a bit more dramatic, a bit more extra, then just apply your fake eyelashes and this look is gonna look even more pretty. So I really hope you guys like this look, and I hope that this tutorial helped you. Let me know in the comments below what other videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you all so much for your love and your support. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!